Time cooking cod. Let's see what it look like so far. Let's see. Oh, well, slap your mama. Look at that codfish. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes, y'all. I'm playing. I ain't playing. Oh, I ain't playing over here, y'all. Hear me? I ain't playing. Look at here. Woo. Oh my God. All right, y'all. Hey, I'm finna do something I ain't never done before. I'm finna try to fry some cod fish. So let me see. I'm gonna open it up. I went and bought some today. We don't know how this gonna go, but we gonna roll with it, y'all. It can't be bad. I done bought some cod. I'm gonna wash it off. Ooh, that look pretty good, y'all. I'm just gonna try something. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Look at that thing. We're gonna batter it. We're gonna season it. And we're gonna drop it in there. We're gonna see what cod go like in my master build. We still playing, y'all. So let's see what this go. Give me a minute to set up my sauces and everything, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm good at catfish and chicken, but I like cod, and I always go to Chancery somewhere for a fish fry for cod. But today, I'm gonna try to cook my own cod. I went and got some of this beer batter that you're supposed to do it with. I've been reading it and looking it up. So when I'm gonna sit here today, I got my codfish, I done washed it off. I'm finna season it. I'm gonna cut it into fillets. I'm gonna dip it in the batter, and we're gonna see what this cod come out in this master build, y'all. We're gonna do some cod today. So let's just season this up and see what we get, y'all. Let's see what we get. We can't lose. We're only playing. How can we lose? If it don't come out good, I'm still gonna eat it. If it come out good, subscribe, like, and comment. But we gonna season it up. Use your own season, y'all. You can see what I'm using. You see what I got going on and everything, but I'm not gonna tell you what you like. But I'm just gonna tell you what I like. But I'm not gonna season it too much because I don't want it to be like, you can't season like chicken. You know, because you don't fry it that long. So you don't season it like chicken. I'm going to season that up. I'm going to flip it. Flip it again. Man, this cod look good, y'all. I don't know how I'm going to cut this to cook it. But they say cut it in squares. So I'm going to cut it like when I go to Chancery's, they only give me, I know they only give me like a certain amount of squares and they bring it back out and this and that. So I'm gonna cut it up like I think that they bring it out to me. And then I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what happens. And don't forget the Creole and the slap your mama. That's my specialty. I don't know, it does something, man. It just give you that when you bite into it. That's why I love using that. All right, so I got my knife. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna cut it like, oh, I better get a sharper knife. Ooh, my bad, y'all. I thought this was my good knife. I think I'm gonna cut them up like that because I'm gonna batter them. And I'm just gonna cut them into squares and see what happens. Hold on, waiting on a good knife. Just an edgy knife, it don't matter. Just something a little sharper, I think. Oh, okay, I'm doing okay. Yeah, we're gonna fry them. We're gonna try to fry them like this. I got a couple knives. Let's see what happens with this one. Oh, there we go. This is the one. We're just gonna cut them up into little squares. That's how they bring them out. When you go to a fish fry, they be in little squares, battered up real good. So I'm gonna cut them all up into cod pieces. And I'm gonna see what happens. Let's see what's up, y'all. We in this together. I know somebody else out there trying to do this, probably came out right. If you got some comments or something you can tell me, make sure you comment down below. I'll get back to you. Or my wife, she'll get back to you. And we'll see what happens. All right, there we go. Now we done cut them up good. Okay, now I'm gonna make my batter. My batter say 1 cup of batter. So don't be saying I'm tripping. It said beer batter. It tells me to use 2/3 cup of beer or water. I decided to use it. No, I'm just playing. I decided to use Heineken's. I'm gonna use 2/3 cup of Heineken's to put in here. That's what it tells me. 2/3 cup. Mix it in there. All right. Y'all see it? So don't say, oh, that nigga just want to drink, that nigga just want to know. It says on the thing. So I'm going to put that up there so y'all can see, so I ain't over here just playing. Right.
You see?
We doing this together, so I'm going to pour this in here, and I'm going to mix it up. They should have said that. I might do a dash of heat in here, but my wife looking at me funny, so I don't know. If she turned her back, y'all gonna see me. She better keep looking. I'm just saying. Ooh-wee. If I put a little hand in here, it might go down, y'all. I need just a little bit more for some juicy batter. Look. We're just trying to batter this up real good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Because it's already hot. I had my grease on already. I'm learning. I had it 350. I cut it down. Now I'm going to cut it back up. The light is on, so we good. It's hot enough to cook. So before I was doing all that, I had to wait 45 minutes. I'm learning. You know, it's something we playing, we learning. I think I got that batter pretty good. Pretty good. And what I'm playing, I'm going to put these in when I see it. What I'm going to do now is, I cooked some catfish last week, and I don't throw my batter out. I kept the batter. What I'm gonna do is, I'm going to batter. Shit, I don't need no more of this, y'all. Oh yeah, watch out now. I'm gonna dip it in the batter. Then I'm gonna dip it into my cornmeal mix that I had from my catfish, and the fish fry, and hope I get a good crunch on it, a good crunch, so I can see what happens. So let's just see when we put one piece in here. We're gonna put one in the batter. With the batter, I'm gonna put one in here. See what happens. Put it back in the batter, maybe. I'm gonna sit it over here. Okay, we're gonna see something. We're gonna put it in the batter. Put the batter on it. And we're gonna put another layer of crunch on it. Look at that there, y'all. I don't care about the grease because I'm gonna throw it out when I finish anyway. This is something I'm trying, so it's gonna be messy the first time. But look at that cod. If that cod come out looking like that, if that cod come out crispy, looking like that, y'all, ooh-wee. Look at that there. We're gonna see what we got, y'all. All right, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then I'm gonna come back in a few minutes, all right? So stand by, let me knock these out, and then I'll be back in a minute, all right? Peace. What up, y'all? All right. Like I said, y'all, we just trying something. We're going to see how this cob turn out. I'm always spending $20 for all you can eat cob on Fridays. I got this master build here. I said, man, let me base my own cob and see what I get. You know what I'm saying? So let's just see. I done did it. I done seasoned it up. I done battered it. The grease is hot. Take a shot of this Heineken. A little shot of hen. Now let's begin. Whenever go, we can't go wrong, y'all. We can't go wrong. Ooh-wee. We gonna eat it no matter what happens. You hear me? We just experimenting. All right. All right, y'all. Baby, come pull this down here for me. Let's see what it look like when it go in. Let's all see. We're gonna experiment together, fam. Drop it in there slow. Ooh-wee. One thing about this, I got plenty of room so I can put the rest of these in there too. All right, we're gonna give it about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or until I can't hear it no more, because I cook by hearing. When I cook fish or chicken and it stop frying or stop making noise and it float, and I look in there and it's looking crispy, that's when I do what I do, I bring it out. So maybe 5, 6 minutes, we'll see how it take, maybe 10. Let's just turn out and see what happens, y'all. We'll be back in a minute. Going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with some cob in the master build, playing games. Peace, we out of here. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you, fam. Aha! Ah. My first time cooking cob. Let's see what it look like so far. Let's see. Oh, well, slap your mama. Look at that cob fish. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. Y'all, I'm playing. I ain't playing. Oh, I ain't playing over here, y'all. Hear me? I ain't playing. Look at here. Woo. Oh my God. All right. I just want to see it take a little bit longer. A couple more minutes, and I'm gonna come back to you. Please. All right, y'all. I think this is it. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. Like I say, 5 to 10 minutes. I cook by ear. When it start making noise, I'll be like, I think that's it. Let me see. I got a couple pieces sticking, but that's okay. I'll take that. Look at that, y'all. It's my first time ever in my life cooking cod fish. I got one piece right here just falling apart. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Ooh-wee. God. Look at here. Look, y'all. This is my first time cooking fried cod in batter fish, cod, from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Let me see. I gotta see. I like it hot. Look at that right there. Give me my tartar sauce. I don't put hot sauce on my cod. I put it on my catfish. The only thing I put on my cod is tartar sauce. I ain't playing. Look at that. Look at that meat in there. Look at the crunchy. Look at everything. Let me see. Little tartar sauce. Oh, ooh. I'm gonna eat it. 3-second rule. Let me see. Y'all hear that crunch like chicken? This is cod fish melting in my mouth with crunch. Mmm. Mmm. I ain't playing, y'all. I'm just saying. Watch the video, subscribe, like. You see what I did? Batter, dip it, season it, drop it, eat it, bam! I'm telling you, can't lose. Going down to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. 827 North 7th Street. Closed this today. We've been closed 2 weeks in a row. It's family only. Bam. I'm sorry, y'all. But y'all don't go over there. Y'all know I've been getting text messages. Y'all don't go to 7th Street. I'm just playing. All right, this is a joke. Call first. This is a joke. I'm just cooking some fish for the family to eat, and y'all cook some cod. Look at this cod, y'all. That's all I can say. I'm just eating. All right? Love y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the channel. We're going to come back with some more bangers. Love y'all. Peace, love, and happy. Boom. We out of here. Going down. Yes.